What's going on, guys? Let's have a talk. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit, but mainly say I'm sorry. You see, I really haven't been posting that much. More namely, that giant gap in late December and early January that I really didn't post anything. I recently took on a project, and more importantly, I lied to you guys. And if you're new to the channel, what's up? This is my 1997 BMW M3 sedan, which gloriously features an automatic transmission. Now, I bought the car as an automatic to do the manual swap conversion on it, so you guys would get a thorough DIY series on the manual swap itself. And in addition to this Alpine beauty, I also have a black 98 drop-top M3, which is currently in the process of getting a full engine rebuild. And the plan and the deal was, when I got the convertible up and running again, then I would do the manual swap on the sedan. Sounds like it's a pretty fair game plan, pretty good game plan. As soon as the drop top runs, I won't really have to worry about not having a car to drive. I'll drive the convertible while I manual swap the sedan. I can rip the sedan apart all day long and not really worry about not having a car to drive. Well, recently I ordered the pistons for the drop top. And the pistons have to be made and then sent to the company I ordered them from, and then they have to send it to me. And it's going to take them, at a minimum, 3 months to make them. Roughly 3 months, maybe more, before the company I ordered them from will even receive them, let alone send them out to me. From there, I still have to get another motor, strip down the block, send the block, the S52 crank, and those pistons in for machine work and inspection. And then from there, I can start gapping rings, getting bearings in, and actually start rebuilding the motor. So best case, the convertible will be running maybe early summer-ish. Some around that time frame. Late spring, early summer, maybe midsummer, I don't know. Now, I'm not complaining about the timeline. I understand, things take time, but frankly I can't hack it. I can't wait that long. I got some mad stick shift blue balls, and I've already driven this freaking automatic for 8 months straight, and I'm kind of over it. So I lied. I didn't mean to lie, but I ended up lying. I told you guys the swap was going to start when the drop top runs, and that kind of turned out to be a lie. So I already sent it. That big gap in late December and early January where I didn't post anything? Sent. So not only is the manual swap coming, it's already done, boys. Car runs, drives, the drivability aspect of it, mechanical, bleeding, the wiring, everything. The car is already finished. I have most of the editing finished. I still have a handful of videos I do have to cut. I'm sorry I lied to you guys. I really am. Now, today is January 12th, and today is actually my birthday. And my birthday present to you guys is going to be the manual swap DIY series. Now, my initial plan was to drop it as a celebration for my 1,000 subscribers, but since I started collaborating with Throttle on his build, that really kind of pushed me over the edge, and I hit 1,000 way before I thought I was, which is super sick, and I'm hyped, and I'm excited that everyone is hopping on the channel, but it kind of threw my plans out of whack a little bit. So now I can't tell you exactly how many videos the whole series is going to be. I am still editing the tail end of the whole series. But I'll say you guys will get a video every day for at least 3 weeks. At least. But when I get every single video done, edited, and uploaded to YouTube, I will start dropping 2 a day until the whole series is finished. Regardless though, I am sorry for not posting. Now, planning the swap along with a full DIY series with it took up a lot of effort and a lot of my time. Not only am I planning ripping apart my car, but I'm also planning the camera angles and what I sort of need to make the DIY series happen. But it did take up a good amount of time, and because of that, the other non-manual swap content sort of fell through. Mainly because I couldn't really film anything because, well, I was ripping my car apart, so I didn't really have a car to go out and do car stuff with. So I hope you guys enjoy. I put a lot of work into the swap along with some really good friends. Had a good time. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Keep it fresh, and I will see you guys later. There's so much editing to do. You guys have no idea. Ugh.